I'm sitting at the patient advocate office in the VA hospital, and if you saw my last clip, as I walked out of the last doctor, I had to make another appointment. This doctor here was saying today, this second one here was saying he wouldn't even let me ask any questions about anything. Every time I started asking, he'd cut me off. He'd go through and just push me through things. I didn't get my clothes off fast enough for him. It was totally ridiculous. And then he's talking low to me, and then when I asked him, then he said he kept interrupting me and stuff. And when I was telling him about, asking about a service dog, he directed me to my primary care provider. I said, no, I just thought you might know because you work with the freaking disabled, with problems with legs and stuff. But no primary care provider. I said, okay, I won't bother you. And then later, I was telling him how he was talking low to me and I didn't appreciate it and everything. And I said, I can't even hear what you're saying because I don't have my hearing aids in because they're broke right now. I got them fixed and stuff. He goes, you need to go to audiology. Totally missed the point. So I don't need a doctor like that, another inadequate staff member of the Veterans Administration killing off patients. So thank you. We'll see what we can do now with the patient advocate to see if we can't bring this to light. Otherwise, it's just, keep watching my stuff and posting it and sharing it.